Aaron with Exterior Pro. We're in our shop in Southern Indiana, and in this video we're talking about metal roof repair options, and we're going to demonstrate a metal roof repair option that is a metal over metal recover. So we're going to talk about taking a standing seam metal roofing panel and laying it on top of an existing leaky metal roof. So we're going to show you a little bit about that and how it works. There can be two ways that you can lay new metal on top of old metal, and one is a high clip method, which is what this video is about, and another is going to be a sub-purling or a sub-framing method. We're going to show that in a separate video, but for this video it's going to be the high clip method. So let me jump right into it here. What we're going to do is we're going to imagine this is our leaky metal roof. Right? It's old, it's been on the building for a long time, too many leaks now, caulking won't fix it. We've got to do something. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a T-style, this is a T-style standing seam metal roofing panel, and we're going to lay this on top of the existing metal roof. So we're going to save the cost of the tear-off, and we're not going to disrupt the activities that's inside the building. So how are we going to get this panel to attach correctly on top of this roof? Well, we're going to do that by means of a high clip. So this is what I mean by a high clip. And this high clip is going to attach directly on top of the existing purlings or struts that's inside the metal building. So the purlings that are running through the ceiling, this is going to attach every 5 feet usually to one of those. Then this panel, the T-style panel, is going to sit just like this right on top of the channel. It's going to hold that panel up above the existing roof. Now, it's a high clip to do just that, to get it above the existing ridge. And that's how this panel is going to function. So just a couple of things quickly about this new metal. This is a 24 gauge T-style standing seam, and this particular system was engineered to lay over top of existing metal roof. The entire system was designed for that function. So it's going to save building owners the cost of a tear-off. You're not going to have to remove the metal that you have. You can go right on top. There's a lot of benefits. But the system itself is designed, all the components are designed to do a recovery, a metal over metal recovery. And that's kind of the idea. It can be installed in situations where we're not a recover, but its primary function is to recover existing metal. This panel can go low slope, so it can be on flatter pitched metal roofs, or it can be on steep slope, so either one, and it's going to work just fine. As you can see, we've already begun to install the new metal roofing, the new standing seam, over top of the old standing seam. It was very easy to go ahead and set out these other metal roofing panels because we had the clips already installed. We had already laid out where the clips go. So we just dropped the panels into place. They sit right on the clip. And then what I wanted to show you in this was how the two metal roofing panels will seam together, how they're going to hook together. They're going to do that by way of a batten cap, and I've got a piece of batten cap in my hand. This is what the cap looks like, and this is what's going to sit on top of both panels and join them together. So you can see we've got factory injected sealant here. Right? So we're going to take this, we're going to flip it over, set it on top of the two sides, and then we have a machine, a seaming machine, and it's going to bend both sides of these around both legs of the new metal panel. And that's how it's going to remain watertight. So you can see what the finished look is. It's a great look. And then I've got one here that I want to show you. Another feature of this style of metal over metal retrofit is that you don't necessarily have to change your guttering. So the guttering on a building can be a big ticket item, and you may or may not want to change it out. Here's a way that we can save your existing guttering if you don't want to change it out. So we can take the batten cap, we can crimp down the bottom part of it a certain length, we can set this cap on and let it hang past. So I can set this cap on, sits on there very easily. I can let this hang past, and this will act as my new gutter strap, and I can take the old gutter strap off that would be under the old metal roof, cut it off, and I can attach this to the front of the gutter now that's on the new roof. So we can let this part come on down and act as our gutter strap. So as you can see, this new metal roof, this is an entire system designed to work together as one, to be able to recover existing metal in a quick and efficient way with a high clip system.